we are gonna look MB160 model of ZKteco. MB160 is an innovative product featured with ZK advanced face recognition and fingerprint technologies. It supports multiple verification methods including face, fingerprint, card, password, combinations between them and basic access control functions. User verification is performed in less than 1 second, which streamlines the process of access. The communication between the MB160 and PC is by TCP/IP or USB interface for manual data transfer. Its sleek design reflects in any environment. Features 1,500 faces, 2,000 fingerprints, 100,000 records and 2,000 cards. Intuitive and stunning UI design, multi-languages, communication, TCP/IP, USB host, Wi-Fi, optional. For more information, contact zkteco.com.ph. Thanks for watching a video and more video want to watch like this, please subscribe this channel.